Hello, people. Today we would tell you what we need, what documents we need to making passport in Indonesia embassy.
Jadi
Rem- remake, yeah, passport.
renew
Passport. Renew, exactly.
Jadi
Renew.
teman-teman hari ini kita mau menyampaikan cara untuk memperpanjang atau memperbaharui paspor di kedutaan Indonesia di Warsaw, teman-teman. Jadi paspor saya itu masa berlakunya itu akan habis tuh sekitar bulan Oktober. My passport will be finished around October. Jadi 6 bulan sebelumnya itu kita harus perpanjang, tapi karena COVID-19 makanya di Polandia mereka punya peraturan. Nah, saya telepon ke kedutaan Indonesia, saya bicara sama konsulnya itu ngomong kalau untuk saat ini tuh belum bisa. Lalu saya telepon sekitar bulan April dan konsul mengatakan bahwa coba deh lihat peraturan di Polandia, mungkin nanti sekitar bulan Juli atau Agustus bisa datang untuk pengurusan paspor. So jadi saya telepon lagi dan mereka bilang sudah bisa. Nah, syarat-syarat untuk pengurusan paspor baru itu yang pertama itu akte kelahiran pasti ya. Yeah, for a renew passport, the paper we need is for a birth certificate. Kalian tidak perlu untuk fotokopi, dan sampai di sana tuh mereka akan fotokopi. Saya sudah siapkan semuanya, kopi ya. We prepare everything, but they say okay, it's okay. We just need the real one, and we will making copy. And I offered them that I have prepared copy, but they said no, save that is for you. So okay, it's better. Jadi karena saya menikahi orang Polandia, I'm married with the Polish people, so surat yang saya butuhkan itu akte kelahiran, KTP, marriage certificate marriage, and then paspor yang pastinya paspor lama. Terus
ID card.
no, I have KTP is ID card, Peter.
Okay.
What is another?
Marriage.
No, marriage certificate I
From
have from
Indonesia?
Indonesia, and I have from Poland. I'm married in Indonesia, so they making my passport based on married from Indonesia,
Yeah.
not from Poland, because I only renew my document from Indonesian to Polish.
Yeah.
Jadi kayak gitu teman-teman. Dan what else we need? Oh, foto. We have 4x6 ya foto. Terus ada formulirnya, form. You have to download in Indonesian embassy. If you want to know detail, you have to check it in Indonesian website di kedutaan Indonesia, di websitenya kedutaan Indonesia di Warsaw. Jadi nanti kalian download formulirnya, terus before kalian making appointment itu kalian harus daftar verification from portal ya. From Peduli WNA.
Making appointment.
Not Peduli WNA, Peduli WNI. Maaf saya salah. Jadi kalian harus daftar dulu. Nah itu tunggunya itu sekitar, saya udah daftar ini untuk kali kedua. Pertama itu saya tunggunya itu sekitar 2 minggu. Nah untuk yang kedua kali ini saya tunggunya tuh lebih dari 1 bulan. I'm waiting more than a month ya. My husband called them and they say okay, we will waiting, but no, this is not true. We waiting, but they think that I have 3 application. I explained them that first it was expired, and I'm making again. This is second time, and there's no information about it. I tried to making again. That's why it's for third time. Jadi untuk itu suami saya telepon lagi dan mereka bilang oh jadi kayak gitu ya. Ya udah akhirnya itu 1 hari aja setelah suami saya telepon itu terverifikasi. Akhirnya saya print, download dulu, setelah itu di print, ya udah bawa semuanya udah selesai. Terus untuk pengurusan paspor 1 hari, if you want to making passport for 1 day, the price is $95.
$95, so much.
Ya. Jadi
Very expensive.
kalau untuk paspor itu yang bukan express ya, itu sekitar $25. Nah, kalian tuh harus tunggu sekitar 3-4 hari. Jadi paspor saya yang lama itu saya buatnya di Surabaya. I have a biometric passport. Yeah?
Yeah. In
Biometric.
Europe right now, biometric passport is normal.
Tapi kalau kalian mengurus lagi di kedutaan Indonesia, kalian dapat paspor yang biasa. Nanti saya mau tunjukkan deh. I will show them ya. Only in front. It's okay? I will take my passport and I will show you.
Okay.
Where is my passport, Sita? I have here. Don't worry. Be happy.
Where is
Where is my old? Oh, here.
Where is my old? Where is my new? I told that only men doing faces.
Jadi ini saya punya 2 paspor. Yang ini udah masa berlakunya udah selesai. Kalau masa berlakunya selesai itu mereka kasih dibolongin kayak gitu. Nah, ini saya punya paspor biometrik paspor, saya pengurusnya itu di Surabaya. Jadi kayak gini. Nah, saya pengurusan yang baru di kedutaan Indonesia paspor biasa. Bukan biometrik.
Without this, yeah.
Yeah, biasa banget. Dan udah pengurusannya itu yaitu tadi saya di video kami sebelumnya itu untuk 1 hari. Terus karena kami tidak beli tiketnya itu PP, we don't buy a train ticket for go and back ya. They asking us. Jadi mereka tuh tanya kami, tiket untuk pulangnya itu jam berapa? Nah, saya bilang kita belum beli tiket untuk pulang. I answer them, I don't buy ticket for a back. That's why
But you should tell you bought tickets for back for 1 hour. You have to back. Then you're making faster.
Okay, so so the trick is, if you want to go to Indonesian embassy, make sure you buy ticket for go and back. So when they asking you what time your train ticket, you will answer for 1 hour. They will make it faster.
Yeah.
Jadi kalau kalian mau pergi ke Indonesia, kalian harus beli tiket PP. Dan nanti pada saat kalian sudah selesai pengurusan surat-surat, sudah selesai difoto, nanti mereka tanya tiket untuk balik jam berapa. Kalian harus pinter-pinter. Kalau enggak, kalian tunggu lama nanti. Padahal kalian bayar $95. Ya? So ya kalian harus pintar-pintar gitu loh. Karena saya nggak tahu. Jadi pengalaman untuk berikutnya saya tahu harus bagaimana. This is for experience. For the next time I know what I have to do. My husband told me that why you didn't tell them that we have a train ticket for 1 hour. I tell my husband, no, I don't know.
Would be faster, yeah?
Yeah.
But if you don't tell them that you have ticket to back, they have time, yeah?
Yeah.
Like everywhere in Indonesia, they have time.
Yeah. Jadi kayak gitu teman-teman. Jadi itu trik aja gitu loh. Terus kita buat, mereka bilang itu kita kembali itu sekitar jam 2 atau jam 3. Kita kembalinya itu sekitar jam 3. Nah, pada saat kita kembali, when we back, they making my passport wrong based on my marriage in Poland.
Yeah.
But I'm not married in Poland.
Yeah, they don't know that if you come to another country, want to live, you must to have making proof document the system in your country, right?
Yeah.
And
But,
so this is why we had to making marriage certificate in Poland, Europe marriage certificate from Indonesian documents.
Ya, tapi sebelum saya membuat mereka mengambil foto saya, itu konsulnya udah tanya menikahnya di mana, tanggal berapa, nanti ada interview gitu loh teman-teman. Terus saya bilang saya menikahnya tuh di Indonesia karena ada suratnya gitu loh. Terus pegawai kedutaan itu mereka tuh salah mencetak. Mereka itu cetaknya tuh saya base marriage on in Poland. So this is cannot. This is like
Of course.
cancel. This is not. I just I have to waiting. And waktu itu saya sempat nervous banget. Saya bilang karena itu kita punya tiketnya itu tiket trainnya itu sekitar jam 3.30 gitu loh. Nah waktu itu sudah jam 3, terus pegawai kedutaan bilang bahwa aduh punya waktu nggak ya, kita sempat berdebat di situ. Dan dia mencoba untuk menjelaskan yang bahasa Inggris ke suami saya. They try to translate with in English to my husband, but they I think they want to they tell my husband that it's my fault, but I tell them no, this is my fault
Of course, no.
because I already give everything. I tell him I already give you. You know, if you know you make a mistake, you have to make it again. Fix that. Yeah, it's very simple. Why did you not fix before I come in? I'm so nervously, and my husband said, "Okay, we have time. We can go out." I said, "No, we are not going anywhere. We're waiting here." So after that, they make me wait for a few minutes.
Yeah, and it's
Because
possible,
I'm
right?
so you know, mereka bilang ke saya, aduh, saya punya waktu nggak? Itu bukan urusan saya gitu loh. Saya di sini saya pengurusan saudara-saudara saya lengkap dan saya bayar. Suami saya coba menenangkan saya, semuanya baik-baik saja. Saya bilang ya semuanya baik-baik saja. Kita punya tiket untuk balik itu train ticket itu for 3:30. You know, we don't have time.
Exactly.
We don't have time.
You want back to home,
Yeah.
normal time, not next day.
Yeah,
You
right.
pay for
So-
making one day, not
Ya, jadi ini paspor saya yang lama dan yang baru untuk pengurusan. Ini yang biasa, ini yang biometrik. Kalau biometrik paspor di Indonesia tuh saya ngurusnya tuh di kota-kota besar. Di Surabaya, waktu saya tinggal di Surabaya, saya ngurusnya di Surabaya. Di Jakarta juga ada. Kalau di Sumatera, Medan, saya sempat ngobrol sama konsul saya di Indonesia, konsul di kedutaan Indonesia, dan mereka bilang ya di Sumatera. Saya bilang di Sumatera, dia konsulnya bilang ya di Medan. Ya udah, jadi kayak gitu teman-teman. Jadi kalau kalian mau pengurusan paspor, ya kalian harus pintar-pintar gitu. Oke? Dan harus punya surat yang lengkap. Ya, they have to have everything, you know, what they asking. So yeah, this is our experience.
about international embassy in Poland.
Ya, dan itu waktu itu tuh suami saya datang ke Indonesia. Kita pergi ke kedutaan Polandia di Indonesia, dan penjagaannya itu ketat banget. Kalau di Polandia, kedutaan Indonesia di Polandia, penjagaannya itu nggak terlalu ketat seperti di Indonesia gitu loh ya.
I don't understand.
I say that when you are in Indonesia, we go to a Poland embassy, and the guard here. It's so like it's very hard, to come inside. But in Poland, when you go to Indonesian embassy, it's not too hard. It's
Yeah,
very
everything
easy.
is open.
Yeah, it's very easy. And the guard on the gate is very old, and it's very nice guy. Yeah, in Indonesian
That's
embassy.
true.
Yeah. So yeah, that's our experience, and yeah, I just want to tell you that be smart, and like what I
Don't
said.
give up. Don't let them win.
Yeah, just be smart, and just prepare everything before you come. Dan satu lagi, kalian harus sebelum kalian mereka kasih ada apa itu surat untuk petugas, satunya tuh untuk pegawai kedutaan. Nah, kalian harus cek benar-benar, jangan sampai ada yang salah, karena mereka itu tidak terlalu they don't checking properly, you have to checking carefully so you don't make a mistake.
Exactly. Check them few times.
Yeah, because I
Be
think
sure what they're doing. They don't have to back there again.
yeah. So yeah, this is our experience to renew passport in Indonesian embassy in Warsaw.
Exactly.
So yeah, I hope this information
help
help
you, and you can do what you have to do much more calm, faster, and with smile.
Okay, so thank you again for watching. Let's see you next time.
Exactly. See you.